everybody, welcome back to TAZS's Wig Closet at Wig Studio One. Today I'm going to show you my second Raquel Welch captivating canvas piece. I bought another one in shaded biscuit, so I thought this would be a nice time to go through some of the variances that I see between my two pieces and also do a little color comparison between the shaded biscuit and the shaded iced latte macchiato coming up. I purchased these wig styles from Wig Studio One. Drop below this video, expand the description box. I'll put a link down there. It'll say Raquel Welch's Captivating Canvas. If you click on that link, it will take you out to the site. You can see all of the beautiful color options and the pricing. If you have any questions for us, you can reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. And don't forget to visit us on our private Facebook group called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. First of all, I love these short little voluminous styles. Now this isn't everybody's cup of tea, of course, and if you're out there and love these styles, I think you're really gonna like this one because it's big. The profile on this one is big and you have to work with it as big. I think we've all seen reviews and photos where they want to smash the hair down in effort to reduce the profile. I don't think that's flattering. You have to go with the identity of this one, which is big, voluminous. And the way to get it wispy is just to use your picking and fluffing fingers and get in there and bring air into the layers. Sculpt it around the face in a way that works for you. Now again, this one came with just a little bit of lift right at the lace front. I really didn't have to do much to prop that up with my hands. But I did have to work with a little bit around the sides because the sides were so big and I wanted to balance out this height with that. I went in and just got underneath into the permatease layer and shrank the profile a little bit. The heat from my hand against the heat from my head will bring that profile of that permatease down and give me a little bit of a smoother profile on the sides where I like it. And these sweeping layers, this fringe is about 5.5 inches, 5 1/4, 5.5. But remarkably, the sides just want to feather back. And it culminates in these beautiful little flippy layers, about a 2 1/4 inch nape. The nape seems really ample. I have really excellent coverage all the way around this cap. Now, the differences that I see between this piece and the original, this one has a lot more fiber. It has more hair in it. I noticed that right away. It also has more permatease. I really had to work with this one. That one looked beautiful right out of the box. That is not reality, however, with mass-produced wigs. So, you know, if I had 5 or 6 pieces to show you, we could probably pick up on some subtle differences among all of them. So I'll just point out what I see here. The general shape of the style is the same, and it's just adorable. I still feel like this is going to be a really good one to wear for me in the summer because I really love the casual look of this layering. All right. It's not too sophisticated. Now, Raquel Welch styles tend to be on that sophisticated side, and they tend to have a lot of hair. So if you love Raquel Welch, these are some of the reasons why you gravitate towards this brand, okay? Now, both of these styles, however, fit me nicely. I had to make just a small adjustment. I would say these are perfectly average compared to some of the legacy Raquel Welch styles that fit me too large. This one is more average. So if you're out there used to that legacy fit of being roomy and stretchy and large, just be aware that of the new styles that I've explored recently, there just seem to be a little more average. So this one has a beautiful lace front, just like the other one. They bring that highlight right up to the lace front. It extends back into the ear tab and has a left monofilament side part that goes all the way back to the hind crown. So you can follow that back and it gives a nice natural look all the way around. Now, to get this look with natural hair, you would really have to go in and tease the heck out of it, curl and style and tease. This one is ready made for you right out of the box. But again, you're gonna have to like that big profile and that large amount of volume. So let's take a look at these two colors. Now, I feel like this sheeted biscuit is a little less bright than some other applications of Shaded Biscuit. It's a dark sandy blonde, some honey blonde, and some platinum. And the dimension of it is really nice. Now the rooting is a medium brown root, but it blends beautifully with this color. So let's go ahead and compare the Shaded Biscuit to the Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato, which is RL1723. This is a 1923, this is a 1723, but this is a part of the Cool Tones collection by Raquel Welch. It came out a couple of years ago. There are several colors in that collection, and they are indeed cool. They are cool because it looks and appears as though a toner has been added. So on the Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato, it's ash on ash. So a medium to dark ash blonde with some pale ash blonde highlighting in there. And again, it looks like it has been toned down. It's a little bit more muted, a little softer, and more of a diffuse look. There's nothing bright about the Shaded Iced Latte Macchiato. It does feature that same medium brown root as does the Shaded Biscuit. So Shaded Biscuit is going to be warmer. Shaded Biscuit is not a super warm color. I would say it's quite neutral because it has some sandy and some ash, but sometimes it can come across warm just because you're comparing it to something that's very ashy in tone like this. So let's go ahead now and just do a side-by-side comparison. You can pick up on the subtle differences between the two styles and the two colors. And I hope you enjoy your Raquel Welch's captivating canvas. We'll see you next time.